Okay, just a little salt. And I'm going to put some Italian seasoning today. Oh, about a good teaspoon in there. Right, okay. And then we're going to mix this up just the way it is, flour and all, with our meat. This is just an easy way to do this rather than dirtying 2 or 3 bags or whatever you would want to do to brown it. Okay, so there we go. And then I'm going to just throw in some garlic on top. I use minced garlic. All right. And then Anthony will back up now, and we are going to start cutting our veggies, okay? So Anthony will back up when I bring our veggies around. And today we're making a stew. So I'm going to also add some rosemary here. Get some rosemary in here. Rosemary's beautiful, earthy taste. We got rosemary going in there. Now we just let this keep doing its thing, okay? And, whoops, here's some more rosemary. I don't want to lose any. Okay, so let's start with our veggies here. Here we go. We're just going to cut them into nice-sized pieces, our veggies. Just like this, and we're going to get them right in there. Okay, first we'll start with our celery. Now you can add potato or you don't. I'm going to make potatoes on the side today rather than putting them all in one pot, but you can make, you know, some russet potatoes or some golden potatoes or red potatoes, whatever you like. And then I'm going to get some of these carrots. I've got some carrots. Carrots are good. This is good fiber. And we got our carrots in there. Just like this. There we go. Okay. Got our carrots right in there. And the meat, as you notice, I have the meat on the bottom. The meat will stay right on the bottom. Okay, and some more carrots.
Smell the rosemary.
You smell the rosemary?
Whoa, rosemary.
Rosemary is good. It has a nice earthy oregano, rosemary, thyme. All of these things are very nice. They go well with beef meat, right? Okay, so here we go. All right, and then next up, I'm going to add some onions. So cut them in good-sized pieces, too. Get them right in there. And as I said, I'm not putting potatoes today. I'm going to make potatoes on the side today. All right, so there we go. So now we have our veggies in. Now what we're going to do is add some beef broth and 1 cup of dark red wine. So I'm just going to pour that right in, just like that.
Oh boy, that's going to be good.
All right, now remember, these are water vegetables that we're putting in here. Water vegetables. So, since they're water vegetables,
It's going to turn into water.
so we will adjust later if we need to make more gravy than what we will have here. We can use some broth. Okay, chicken broth works, or just regular broth. Okay, so there we go. So now we've got our herbs in there, our spices. We will test it later. This is going to be about 3.5 to 4 hours on high because we're slow cooking. If you like to go low, just go longer. Make sure your meat is done before you stop and your veggies are tender, fork tender, okay? All right, so that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching our episode today. Remember to click the like button, hit subscribe. It costs nothing to subscribe to our video channel. And we are Heal, Eat, and Teach, Carpizzo's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again. Pete out.